If you bury a mine on a road the enemy must use. When a truck runs over it, the wooden plug compresses and the striker beneath it hits the detonator, blasting the large explosive inside and sending both the vehicle and its occupants flying. But as fierce as these mines are, enemy sappers can simply dig them up and render them useless. To counter that, you convert the pressure trigger into a rope pull mechanism so you can lie in ambush nearby. When the enemy attempts to clear the minefield, a gentle tug on the rope makes a hidden metal piece scrape against a combustible charge inside the tube, producing a spark that detonates the whole mine, giving the enemy no chance to disarm it. Still, that method only works when the enemy moves along a known route and you can wait in ambush. If the enemy strikes suddenly, your forces could be caught off guard. So you place a small ear mine above the pull trigger mine and link them together, which means you don't have to detonate it yourself. When the enemy tries to remove the top mine, the lower mine explodes automatically, catching them by surprise. This terrifying arrangement is known as the mother and child ghost mine. You can also bury multiple ghost mines along both sides of a road and connect their fuses. If an enemy safe steps into the field and triggers one of the ear mines, the blast's shock will set off the other buried charges, delivering a catastrophic strike against an entire squad. Beyond that, you can disguise obstacles, carts or boulders, and wire ghost mines underneath. Whenever the enemy tries to move the barrier, the hidden mine detonates instantly. There are even finer trigger devices. A near-invisible hair or horsetail filament can form a trip mechanism. When an enemy brushes the filament, the device activates and detonates the nearby mine. Beyond these single techniques, the most fearsome layout is a mixed minefield. Place every type of mine together in a confusing pattern so the enemy can't tell real from fake. That uncertainty makes safe clearance impossible. Having learned these tactics, congratulations. You now understand the mine warfare that made the enemy tremble during the resistance. Through such clever strategies, even when our equipment was far inferior, soldiers and civilians could engage the enemy on equal terms. Like, subscribe, and share.